Today, I'm going to show you how to rejet your XR650L. The first step in this whole process is removing your carburetor. I have a video linked to that down below. Go ahead and rip it out, just like the Aztecs, because we're going to go ahead and tear right into this momentarily. The first step I like doing to this is going ahead and draining the little bit of gas in the float bowl back to my gas tank, because I know my carburetor is clean on the inside, and then, why not reuse it? So, after that, we're going to go ahead and remove the float bowl in the very bottom. All it is 4 Phillips head screws, so go ahead and remove those, set them somewhere safe so you do not lose these. They're all the same size, so that's not something to worry about. So after we get these 4 Phillips head screws off, we're going to be going ahead and removing the float bowl cover. After all, this is what we've been trying to unscrew this entire time, so go ahead and just lift it up and off. Underneath is this little piece of plastic called the baffle. Go ahead and set that somewhere safe, because you also, like the other parts, you don't want to lose it. So on to removing the good old pilot jet here. All you're going to do is use a flat head, twist it right out. It'll come out without much worry. Sometimes you'll think it's out, it's not, just like I had happen to me. But yeah, just go ahead and keep unscrewing it so it pops right out, set it somewhere safe, or in your case, you're probably putting a new one in, so good for you. To get on to the main jet, all you do is you twist it out again, but you may notice that the needle jet holder is coming out with it. So all you have to use to make sure it doesn't come out with it is grab a pair of pliers or a wrench, hold it still, and then just with your flathead screwdriver, just kind of pop it loose and it will screw right out. After that, put in the right jets and that's done. You've rejetted your XR650L. Thanks for watching.